In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a calendar in Outlook 365. We'll do this in the web version of Outlook. So start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook. Open the official Outlook site and sign in with your Microsoft account. If you have more than one account, double check you're in the right mailbox for the calendar you plan to share and complete any security prompts you see. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, switch to Calendar. You'll find the calendar icon on the left side of the screen. This opens your schedule view and the list of calendars on the left. Locate the calendar you want to share in the list. If the list is collapsed, expand it so you can see your calendars. Next, hover over that calendar's name and select the three dots to open its menu. From that menu, choose Sharing and Permissions. This opens a panel where you control exactly who can see your calendar and what they can do with it. In the sharing box, type the email address of the person or group you want to share with. Outlook will try to autocomplete as you type. You can share with people inside your organization, and depending on your organization settings, with external contacts as well. Make sure the address is correct, especially if there are people with similar names. After selecting the person, choose the permission level. If you only want them to know when you're available, pick the option that shows free and busy times without details. If they need more context, choose to allow viewing of events and details. For close collaborators, you can grant edit access so they can add or modify events on this calendar. Only give edit rights to people you trust because their changes will appear just like yours. When you're satisfied with the permissions, click Share. Outlook sends an invitation to the recipient. Once they accept, your calendar will appear in their Outlook under Shared Calendars. If they don't see it right away, a quick refresh usually does the trick. That's the entire process. If you ever need to adjust or stop sharing, return to the same Sharing and Permissions panel from the three-dot menu and update the settings. A quick tip before we wrap up: keeping your working hours and time zone accurate in Outlook helps others interpret your availability correctly when they view your calendar. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly how to share a calendar in Outlook 365.